the Wotjobaluk, Jadwa, Jadwa Jali, Wagai, and Yapagal people, and we pay our respect to both past and present.
Hand over heart and say the oath with me. I will honour my country, Australia. I will respect my parents, teachers, and all community members. I will obey school and community rules and do my best to learn at all times.
Student of the Week awards are presented to students who have demonstrated one of our school values of respect, responsibility, excellence, honesty, and tolerance. This week, the following students have demonstrated one of these values and will receive the Student of the Week award for their class. From Prep Schmidt, Jack Cutter, showing the value of respect, for having beautiful manners and for listening carefully to instructions.
From Prep Briggs, Kushi YA, showing the value of excellence for his dedication to sound practice.
From One Does It Hartridge, Amelia Podolsky, for showing responsibility, for trying hard to avoid distractions around her, and for using her time effectively to complete work. Well done, Amelia. Keep it up.
From Year 1 Bennett, Jimmy McDonald, demonstrating the school value of excellence, for showing good listening skills and for staying focused on his work whilst avoiding distractions.
1 to Mrs. Sadie, Nash Clark, value for excellence, for his very good research on fossils and the T-Rex. 1 to Miss Ashton, Connor Foley, value for excellence, for writing amazing information reports about people and places.
From Year 2 Richardson, Cohen Friend, showing the value of respect, for his excellent listening and ability to follow instructions.
From Year 2 Woolworth, Ivy Friend, showing the value of excellence, for trying really hard and working well during the week.
For 3 Adams, Casey Laws, for showing the school value of excellence, for always using his initiative to helping others out without being asked.
From Year 3 Nolan, Imogen Barclay, demonstrating the school value of excellence, for the impressive progress you have made in numeracy. Also from Year 3 Nolan, Imogen Dumsdy, demonstrating the school value of excellence, for your outstanding effort in using sophisticated words from our word wall in her writing.
3 Forbes Dossett, Tilly Gilbert, for responsibility, for coming to school every day with a smile on her dial and a great attitude towards her learning. From Year 4 McGinniskin, Holly Wallace-Coots, showing the value of respect, for standing up for what is right, even to her friends. Keep up the great work, Holly. Also from Year 4 McGinniskin, Ledger Ockleshaw, showing the value of excellence, for always having a positive attitude towards his learning, his peers and his teachers. Great effort, Ledger.
From Year 4 Davies, Jessie Charity, showing the value of excellence, for always approaching learning and classroom tasks with enthusiasm. Keep up the great work, Jessie.
From 5 Vivian, Kalisha Hicks, for showing the school value of excellence, for giving clever information that helped the IT technician solve a problem with the school iPads. Great work, Kalisha.
From Year 5 Werner, Sam Chaplin, demonstrating the school value of excellence, for having a great attitude towards his learning and trying his hardest all week. Well done. Also from Year 5 Werner, Harry Adams, demonstrating the school value of excellence, for taking pride in his work and trying his hardest to achieve the best that he can. Great work.
4 5 Miss Quayle Lincoln Fulton, for excellence, for his growing confidence in classroom discussions and giving his absolute best effort at swimming. Keep it up, Lincoln. From Year 6 Adams, Geordie Laurie and Paddy Price, showing the value of responsibility, for conducting a successful junior school council meeting in the class with confidence.
From Year 6 Driscoll, Jack Stevenson Hatherall, showing the value of responsibility, for always having a positive outlook and taking on feedback with a stride in his step.
From Science Mrs. Bacon, Sky Loans, for showing responsibility, for volunteering her time after school to assist in cleaning up the science room.
Science from Mrs. Bond, Charlie Watson, demonstrating the school value of excellence, for being enthusiastic and contributing his knowledge and understanding about living and non-living things during class discussions.
5 6 Miss Hamilton, Lily Robson, for excellence, for putting 110% to swimming on Wednesday, even when it was completely out of her comfort zone. Keep up the awesome work, Lily.
PE Mrs. Clem, Elijah Kent, both excellent for excellent behaviour, effort and participation. Art Mrs. Francis, Charlotte Elburn, Matthew Pearson, Chloe Sims, Sons, both for excellent drawing, painting and design skills displayed in their artwork. And the music award goes to White Kettles, both excellent for taking up the challenge of bucket drumming and chanting fest.
From PE, Ethan Riley, showing the value of excellence for being able to demonstrate correct footwork and shooting accuracy when attempting the layup in basketball. Good morning to Mr. Walter.
Thank you, Jagger. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, congratulations to this week's Student of the Week. I enjoyed listening to a lot of those things that people received a Student of the Week award for this week. Lots of people challenging themselves outside their comfort zone, learning new things, so well done to you all. Please remember a photo this morning for Student of the Week. So at Rasmussen, whenever that's organised, wait for an announcement or your teachers will tell you, and at 298 here it will be during snack time around 11:20. So the weekend gave us some new news, everyone. We're remote learning again beginning on Wednesday. So for the next 6 weeks to finish off the term, remote learning will be happening. We will miss you all at school, but we'll be doing everything we can to stay connected with you and provide you with enough work to keep your learning moving forward. And it's really important that everyone embraces this with a really positive attitude. It's an important step that the government has to take. So it's important that we approach it with a really positive attitude. So the teachers will be working hard, particularly tomorrow, to get things organised. Today is a day to get a few things organised in the classroom, but it's a normal school day for everyone. So tomorrow will be a pupil-free day. So you guys are not required to come to school tomorrow. The teachers will be getting organised for Wednesday, which means remote learning, the first day of remote learning for this week. So for parents, keep an eye out for more communication. We are still getting a bit of information coming through from the department around what it all means. It will look similar to Term 2 in regards to what will happen with a number of things. That message of if you can work from home, you must work from home. So for students, if you can work from home, you must learn from home. But there are people who will be able to come to school just like in Term 2. So considering the environment, what's happening in the state, that message of if you can learn from home, you must learn from home is really important. And like I said, more communication to come. I'll send out a message to families and let everyone know what's happening. So that's about it from me. We'll get through the next 6 weeks, and for all of you kids, it's just really important that you keep knuckling down and doing your learning and keep striving for learning progress and excellence and all those things that we value really highly at our school, and that you all do a really great job with when you're in the classroom. Continue the attitude when you're out of the classroom as well, and we'll support you as best we can. Thanks, guys.
Any announcements, teachers? Any announcements, students?
House points this week. Red came fourth on 15 points. Green came third on 23 points. Blue came second on 24 points. Gold came first on 33 points.
This week we raised a total of $34.70. Runners up were Year 2 Richardson with $6.65. This week's winner is Year 6 Driscoll with $18.50. Keep saving your coins while you're at home. Thank you, everyone.
Mr. Keller, have you got any announcements for the Rasmussen campus?
No, Mr. Walter.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for today's assembly. Students, please follow your teacher's instructions. Assembly dismissed.